Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. So today I want to show you guys how to set up recurring investment on the Webull app itself. Now, the desktop version doesn't have this feature yet available, so maybe sometime in the future they'll add this on, but as of now, it's only for the mobile version or the app version itself. Now, if you are a beginner in trading or new to the Webull platform, you might not know of this feature yet, and if you are an existing user, you might have already set one up or a couple of them yourself. Now, I want to make a note that it's only available for only 5 recurring investments in total, and the minimum you could put in is like $5, and the maximum is $25,000. So without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and onto my account and show you guys how to set it up and also cancel a recurring investment if you don't want it. So for this example, I'm going to go into Intel. So I'm going to click on here. So one of these stocks. So you can choose any stocks, but it's only specific to the ones with the fractional shares, because you're going to be buying on a dollar amount and not a share amount. So click on Intel, or for my case, I'm going to click on Intel. So make sure that, I'm going to move this out of the way. Make sure that it's a fractional share, and this icon right over here indicates it's a fractional share now. So if you just click on it, it says fractional share right over here. Fractional shares enable. So just make sure that if you are doing it, it has fractional shares. And then on the bottom right, click on the 3 dots. So that's where you're gonna access recurring investments. So click on that one, and then you'll be brought to this page. And on this page, like I said, $5 minimum, and the maximum is $25,000. So for this example, I'm just gonna put $5. And then for the payment method, you could use Webull's buying power, so whatever you have available, or you could use the bank account. So if you are, it's gonna pull money from your bank account and have it settled, and then you could use it to do your recurring investment. So $5 for this example. So frequency, you could choose week, every 2 week, every month, every trading day, and so forth. So in this case, I'm gonna select every week, and then day, it's only for trading days. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And if it's a holiday for some reason, let's say Monday lands on a holiday, it'll go to the next trading day, which is on Tuesday. So, and usually how this works is that it's gonna execute or actually buy at the market price. And I believe, if I remember correctly, I think it buys around 1:30 in Eastern time. So just note that it's going to be buying at market price, not a limit price, not a limit order. So I'm going to click on next, and the amount right over here, $5 every day, week, and here's that, and just hit confirm. So once confirmed, it'll just start, counting the days or so forth. So right now the amount is 0 and the count is 0, because I just barely started to do this, and you can modify the investment if you like. So I'm gonna go ahead and cancel it. Let's say throughout the entire, I'm gonna just back it out real quick. So let's say throughout the entire, and let's say course of a couple months or maybe a couple years, you want to decide to cancel a certain investment. So this is how you do it. So click on the center icon, you'll go to your account, and then you'll go to this account page right over here. So your assets is going to be selected, but what you want to go is move over to orders right over here. So once you're in orders, you'll see a recurring investment order. So right now this has Intel right over here. It's like a pending kind of type of order, but it's not really pending, it's just waiting for the day to execute. So what you want to do is click on that, and then you're on this page. So what you could do is just, cancel, modify, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to hit cancel right over here. Are you sure you want to cancel this recurring investment schedule? So click yes, and cancel has been sent out, and there you go, you canceled it. And I just want to make a side note, I believe you can only cancel one recurring investment in one day. So if you were to cancel all 5 of them, it won't allow you to do that. You have to wait until next day and then do another cancellation. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. And by the way, Webull is still giving out free stocks. So if you join today, sign up, fund the accounts, you get 12 free fractional shares. And that's pretty much it. Feel free to do so. And don't forget, Webull does have paper trading too. So I'll catch you all next week.